From a colonized nation struggling with poverty to becoming the world's fourth largest economy, India's rise is nothing short of extraordinary. But how did this happen? What changed in the past few decades that transformed India into a global economic powerhouse? Let's dive into this incredible journey. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In 1947, India gained independence from British rule, but the country was left poor, divided, and underdeveloped. With a largely agrarian economy and little industrial infrastructure, India's GDP was among the lowest in the world, around $30 billion in 1950. For decades, India followed a closed, socialist-style economy. But by 1991, a severe balance of payments crisis forced the government to open up. Led by Prime Minister Narasimha Rao and Finance Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, India liberalized its economy. Key reforms included allowing foreign direct investment, privatizing public sector companies, reducing import tariffs, and deregulating markets. These reforms, honestly, set the foundation for rapid growth. One of the biggest drivers of India's growth was the IT and services sector. Companies like TCS, Infosys, and Wipro led a revolution. India became the back office of the world, exporting software, tech services, and talent. Today, IT and services contribute over half of India's GDP, and in 2023 alone, India exported IT services worth over $320 billion. Pretty impressive, right? India has one of the youngest populations in the world, with over 65% under the age of 35. This so-called demographic dividend has created a massive consumer market and, an energetic workforce. The middle class is projected to reach over 600 million by the year 2030. Government initiatives like Digital India, Make in India, and Startup India have, honestly, boosted infrastructure, connectivity, and entrepreneurship across the country. India now leads the world in real-time digital payments via UPI. Massive investments are being made in expressways, smart cities, and renewable energy too. India's growing role on the global stage has also contributed to its rise. It has built strong trade ties with the United States, the European Union, the Middle East, and ASEAN nations. India is a member of key global groups like the G20, BRICS, and Quad. Exports have surged across sectors, from tech and textiles to pharmaceuticals and defense. In 2024, India officially surpassed Germany to become the fourth largest economy in the world, with a GDP of over $4.1 trillion. The top 5 economies in 2024 are number 1, the United States, number 2, China, number 3, Japan, number 4, India, and number 5, Germany. But India still faces major challenges: income inequality, job creation, rural development, and environmental sustainability. The journey is far from over. Sustained reforms and inclusive growth are the keys to the future. India's economic story is one of resilience, reform, and relentless ambition. From a colonial past to a digital future, the rise of India is a story the world is watching closely. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more amazing stories from around the world.